The Nigerian economy is tough right now, and everybody is looking for a way to survive. Businesses are shutting down due to high operating costs, and everyone wants to travel out to earn in dollars. We know that the solution for us as a nation is for businesses to earn more in dollars, and to do this, we need to move from importing to exporting, and every small business needs to go into export right now. But the problem is that no one has ever come out with a solution that helps an export novice to build a profitable export business in as little as 90 days from the ground up. Hi, my name is Unduka Ude. Today I have 4 businesses both in the USA and Nigeria with over 70 employees, and on behalf of numerous Nigerian businesses, we are exporting over 200 million naira worth of finished products every month to destinations all over the world. I know what the successful exporters are doing. I see what they are exporting to earn in dollars, and I know how they are finding buyers. So let me show you how. Join me and my team as we come to you, and I will show you the exact step-by-step process we use to do this, and most importantly, how you can start a successful export business with the minimum possible capital. Come and learn how to determine the most profitable product to export to the USA, how to ship it, warehouse it, sell it on Amazon and other online stores, and how to find buyers all over the USA that need your product. Nigeria has the product, and it's time we control the marketing, the sales, the distribution of the thousands of Nigerian products abroad. If you are looking for a solution that works, this is it. Click the link below to register now. Some of you are going to think it's impossible. I'm going to show you that it's not.